Hi folks, it's Nesta here in Infinitely Zero's channel. I wanted to do this video to show who the winners are for the fall Halloween make-along contest giveaway that I am hosting. The deadline for entries was November 26th, 2024. Just wanted to re-mention you have to be 18 years or older. If you do not live within the lower 48 U.S. states, please let me know. I have a ebook kind of crochet book prize that I can email you if you end up being one of the winners, because postage is very expensive outside of the U.S. And again, nobody is sponsoring me. I'm not affiliated with anyone. I'm the one that bought the prizes. YouTube is not associated with this make-along in any way. Void where prohibited. I think I said that already. You have to be 18 years or older. I will link below the slideshow video that I did of the different entries within the make-along of what they made. I put the pictures there. I put their names as well as a number associated with each individual. I'll also put the link to the video where I talk about the contest and I go into more detail about the different prizes. So I'm going to use a random number generator. I associated each person with different numbers. The ones that have multiple entries, like Alley Cat, she's also number 7 and 10 and 11. Maisie, also known as Marie, is number 12, 15, 16, and 17. So let's get started. So I just used the regular random number generator that I found on Google. This is the one that I'll be using. I'm going to change this maximum number to 18. So I changed that to 18. It came pre-populated with the number. So I'm going to click generate. And it chose number 18 as the first winner, which is Mary S. The next winner is number 10. That is Alley Cat. And the third winner is number 13. That is Mama G Gear. Congratulations. And since we had some folks enter multiple times, I'm going to put in a fourth prize just because I feel like it. And that is number 15, which is Maisie Marie. So congratulations, everyone. If you can please contact me. I'm going to say, let's say by Thursday, December 5th. I know it's the holidays, so I'm going to give folks a little more time. So please contact me via email to my email address, the same one that you sent the pictures to. By, like the latest would be December 5th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. So please contact me before that for you to be able to send me what your mailing address is, so that I can mail you the prize and which prize you prefer. So that being said, I have multiples of certain prizes, and other prizes I just have one of. So how we're going to do this is whoever emails me first with what they like or want from the multiple choices of the different prizes that I have, they're getting that, and then I'll let you guys know when you send me the email if I have that or not, and we'll go from there of what's left. Hopefully something that you like is still left. Yeah. Or the other way I can do it is I just choose and send it to you. But I know some people, like, because some of them are amigurumi kits, not everyone does amigurumi kits or may not like the kit. So that's why I figured having a few more options would be better. Again, the folks that won are Mazzy or Marie, Alley Cat, Mama G Gear, and Mary S. Mary S is the last entrant, the one that did the shawl. That was in the centaur color. I think it was a virus shawl. It was towards the end of the slideshow. Okay, so if you need a recap about what some of the prize options are, you can check out the video where I talk about the contest. Or I'm going to do, a quick rehash of what they are today here. Okay, so first I have is this cute kitty, Halloween kitty, which is a Hirschner's kit for him. Amigurumi kitty with the pumpkin. The yarn's included. The fiber fill does not seem to be included, neither does the crochet hook. Sorry about that, that's just how the kit came. If you really, really need fiber fill and don't have any and choose this one, let me know. I can put some in there for you. But if not, it's fiber fill's easily available and not very pricey. The next option, if you don't want something Halloween based, is this amigurumi watermelon kit. So it's only choose one of these kits. So it's only like choose one of these. The other option is this cute Christmas gnome. He does come with fiber fill and everything included back there. Another one is this adorable reindeer. That's very cute too. Or the third option, where did he go? Sorry. Some of the things fell. Is this cute polar bear amigurumi from Hirschner's. Also includes everything, including the fiber fill. I guess he's bigger. He has more fiber fill. Another option is a from Lion brand, a needlepoint kit of a shuttle. If you want to choose this, I can include one of the adult coloring books. I also have an option of a prize if you want 2 adult coloring books. If you don't want anything yarn or crochet related. I also have 2 Halloween themed one. If you don't like the tarot one, I have one that's botanical. So these are one prize just in and of itself, unless it's like the needlepoint prize, which I feel can go with a coloring book. If you have any questions about this, let me know. The other option I have is I can include a 2 skeins of Hirschner's worsted gradients yarn. It's 100% acrylic yarn. It's 489 yards. It's 2 skeins of that. That's enough. Nice. That's enough to make a shawl with. It's similar to what I received in one of the shawl kits of theirs. I have this yellow. What I recall, I have orange. They're orange. I have their green. I have their purple, which this is their purple. Yeah, that's what I can remember right now that I have. I may have some other ones. The further other option is I wasn't able to get another one of these kind of shawl kits. It comes with 5 skeins, and this gradients yarn is number 4 weight, worsted weight. If you like working with thinner yarns, I can send 5 skeins of this Hirschner's Afghan 2-ply yarn. The solid colors are more like a 3 weight. It's nice and soft. It's also 100% acrylic. I'm not going to send this kit because I can't get a hold of this kit anymore. But what I will try to do is I will send you 5 skeins of the yarn. If I have any more plastic kit bags left, I'll try to send it in a plastic zipper kit bag. If I don't have any left, I'm sorry. I won't be able to send that unless you're willing to wait until I order it and get it and all that. But they're on the pricier side. And like I mentioned in the video, I'll try to put one of the Yarnspirations shawl patterns in there for you. These solid colors are a little thicker. They're closer to like a 3-weight. Their variegated is not as soft, the yarn, as the solid color, and it's thinner. It's thinner. If you really, really love this one, let me know and I can send you, you know, the skeins of this yarn. The other, or, you know, put in the email kind of which colors you would prefer, and I can let you know if I have that yarn in those colors. I have a wide variety of options. So I have some that are in the, like, their baby line, which is the same yarn, it's just more pastels. So this is like a green, like a mint color, even though I have another green, which is a little, I think looks more like mint. This one is sunshine, this variegated color, then with this orangey brown and this yellow. I have this other kit where it comes with, that's like the monster. That's what they call that variegated color, and with this pretty blue, which is blue ice. What I would do would be, I would just pick 5 from this pack, or let's say from this pack, or, you know, if there's like a certain specific colors that you prefer, let me know in the email, and I'll see if I can accommodate it. Not completely sure that I'll have it. I have lighter purples. I have darker purple, like it's kind of like a pack that I can pull from of this 2-ply yarn. I also have like lighter set of green with darker set of green. It's like their gradients packs. And I think I have either the yellows or the orange from that. I had also bought these 2 type. This one, this pink with yellow and all that is Summer Sunset. With like, this is Fruit Punch and this is Marigold down here. And this one's Daffodil. I may not remember all of these, so you may have to tell me which, kind of what type of color it is. This green, this variegated one here is Southwest. And then this green, I don't know what this is Deep Teal. This brown is Old Rose, which I would have never thought that was Old Rose. And this down here is peanut color. Anyways, and you know, and like I said, I can grab, you know, 5 from this set or 5 from this set and try to send it to you all together. And that should be more than enough to do a shawl. Or a smaller size make. Each of these skeins is 244 yards. So yeah, it's a 2 before. Yeah. So it's sort of similar to that other one. Anyways, so again, please contact me via email before December 5th. Maybe put in there what your first top 2 choices are for prizes, and I'll try to see the best that I can do to see what I have left and mail it out to you. It may take a little while to mail it because of the holidays or for you to receive it, but I'll try my best to send it as soon as I can. So thank you so much, folks, for watching and for participating, and for those of you who still participated and and watched. Hopefully you enjoyed the slideshow. And yeah, thanks so much. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like my content, please click like and subscribe. I'm like, I think I covered everything. Bye.